Autonomous vehicles also offer potential solutions for rural areas where public transportation is often limited. These self-driving cars could provide reliable and affordable mobility options for remote communities. In the freight industry, autonomous trucks could streamline logistics and reduce delivery times. This innovation would not only cut costs but also enhance the reliability of supply chains worldwide. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, the need for continuous technological and regulatory evolution becomes critical. Staying informed and engaged in discussions about AVs will shape a safer, smarter future. Advancements in autonomous vehicle technology are driven by AI, machine learning, and IoT, making them smarter and more adaptive to real-world conditions. These innovations are essential for seamless and safe AV operations. The ethical considerations surrounding autonomous vehicles are complex, particularly in life or death scenarios. Determining how AVs should prioritize decisions in critical situations poses significant moral dilemmas that require thoughtful deliberation. Consumer adoption of autonomous vehicles hinges on factors such as cost, trust, and service availability. As technology becomes more accessible and reliable, the public's willingness to embrace AVs is expected to grow. The future of autonomous vehicles holds the promise of revolutionizing transportation, enhancing safety, and increasing efficiency. As the technology matures, AVs will likely become an integral part of everyday life. Real-world applications of autonomous vehicles are already being tested in various sectors, from ride-sharing to delivery services. These trials demonstrate the potential of AVs to transform industries and improve service delivery. Autonomous vehicles rely heavily on advanced AI to interpret data from sensors, making split-second decisions to navigate safely. Machine learning helps continuously improve these systems by analyzing vast amounts of driving data. Ethical questions arise about how AVs should act in life-threatening scenarios. Should the car prioritize the safety of its passengers over pedestrians? These dilemmas must be thoughtfully addressed.
Consumer adoption hinges on factors like pricing, trust in the technology, and the availability of reliable AV services. Public confidence will grow as AVs prove their safety and efficiency on roads.
The future of transportation looks promising with AVs, potentially making travel safer and more efficient. Continuous innovation in technology will drive further advancements and broader acceptance of autonomous vehicles. Real-world applications of AVs span from ride-sharing services to delivery logistics. These practical uses are currently being tested and refined, signaling a transformative shift in various industries. Autonomous vehicles present ethical dilemmas such as deciding who to prioritize in unavoidable accidents. These decisions require careful consideration and consensus to align with societal values and legal standards. Consumer adoption of autonomous vehicles depends on their affordability, reliability, and public trust. Widespread availability and user-friendly services will also play crucial roles in their acceptance and daily use. Future prospects for autonomous vehicles are promising, with potential to make transportation safer and more efficient. Continuous advancements and innovations will drive the industry towards widespread implementation and acceptance. Real-world applications of autonomous vehicles are expanding, from ride-sharing services to delivery operations. These use cases showcase the versatility and practical benefits of self-driving technology in various industries. Stay informed about the latest developments in autonomous vehicle technology and join the conversation. Your insights and opinions are valuable as we navigate this transformative era in transportation.